Hello everyone, my name is Dustin Ettinger. Today I'll be talking to you about how the Earth's positioning is perfect. Now, it's kind of weird, you think about it, we're the only planet with life. So, throughout our whole entire universe that we know of, well, we only have animals, we have people, we have plants, we have water, we have abundance of everything. But then when you look at it wow, Mars doesn't have life, or Venus doesn't have life, especially Jupiter because, it's gas, it's a lot of gas, you can't really get down, a lot of gravity. So today we're going to focus on why it's so perfect, how it's so perfect, any way you like to think of it. My main source will be the textbook, as a lot of people probably will have the same. It's very helpful. I found a lot of information, and as we went through the chapters before I even started this topic, I realized, wow, there's a lot more to it than just one or two chapters. There's probably a good 3 or 4. So, to get started, I would like to say that this has always interested me. Growing up, you think about it wow, how are we here? How are we like this? Is there any other life out there? Well, good question. I look at it like there is, going back to some of the chapters more recently than a couple, there are other planets most likely out there like ours. You look at all the stars in the sky and you think to yourself, all right, there's got to be other ones that are in the same position as us. Well, we'll have to wait to find that out. But to start, I want to go over the who, what, when, where, and how questions. All right, to start, who was the first person to determine our positioning in the solar system? My what? What factors allow life on Earth? Where? Where is the Earth located in relation to the Sun compared to other planets? Which is pretty self-explanatory, but we'll find out in my other video. The when. When was Earth capable of sustaining life? And everyone's going to think about that one like, whoa, that's ancient, but we'll get to that more. And the how. How does Earth's axis and atmosphere keep Earth in a perfect position for life? Alright, so back to Earth's positioning, the perfect positioning in fact. Well, you look at it, I should look at it like this, and you should as well. There are 2 other planets inside of Earth's orbit. Okay, and those planets, they're a little too hot to withstand life. Earth is in the perfect position. We have the atmosphere needed, and I mean, that is key, needed. Because without an atmosphere, we wouldn't be here. The rays would come through and we'd get radiation poisoning. We most likely would die. We would not have life on Earth. Well, same goes with the other 2 planets. They can't have life. It's too hot, too bad of conditions, way too close to the sun. Mars, on the other hand, which is just right outside of our orbit, is more like Earth. Not quite. It doesn't have life, doesn't have water. We've tried to find signs of water. We're getting closer, but it's Mars. We'll find a way. Then, outside of Mars, in the asteroid belt, you have other planets that are more gaseous and watery, where no life will be able to be sustained. It's too cold, too far away from the sun. Factors are just not there right now, especially with travel. So, luckily with Earth, we are at the perfect position. Astronomy has done so much for Earth, as we keep finding out these problems to where we're at, It's like a giant math problem, and it just helps us out. It's great to see where we come from, how we're here, and how we're alive. And that will be the end of my introduction. Tune back soon to see the rest. Thanks. Bye.